ED for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Leaks suggest a powerhouse with cutting-edge camera tech, a blazing fast processor, and a stunning display. Will it redefine smartphone photography and performance? Let's dive into the rumors and 2. Impeccable and iconic. Inspired from the legendary Leica rangefinder camera, enough to separate you from the crowd. Ultra durability. Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0 plus 25% improved drop resistance. High strength aluminium frame. Built to last CNC crafted. Corning registered trademark symbol, Gorilla registered trademark symbol, glass 7i with anti-scratch coating plus 82%. Camera deco nanoindentation hardness asterisk. 3. Reimagine the perfect shot. Leica quad camera system. Pro-level photography at your fingertips. Leica 100mm ultra telephoto. Leica 14mm. Ultra-wide camera. Leica 23mm. HDR main camera. Leica 70mm. Floating telephoto. 5. See what others don't. Leica 200MP ultra telephoto. Step into a new era of zoom photography with the industry-leading Leica 200MP ultra telephoto lens. 6. Unveil the secrets of the night. Leica 1-inch sensor. Xiaomi 15 Ultra's main camera offers industry-leading 1-inch image sensor and pinnacle optical design, delivering stunning night captures with outstanding clarity. 7. Brilliance at all focal lengths. 8. Master videography. 4K 120 frames per second. Cinematic slow motion video, unlocking brand new perspectives and a stunning videography experience. 9. Xiaomi Hyper. Writing. Summarizing articles, organizing notes, spell-checking emails. Writing can do it all. 10. Xiaomi Hyper. Speech recognition. Automatically convert speech to text, recognize the speaker, generate summaries and translate effortlessly. 11. Xiaomi Hyper. Interpreter. Your ultimate real-time translation assistant for face-to-face interactions, phone calls, or online meetings. 12. Xiaomi Hyper. Search. Your smartphone can now understand your words easily and accurately help you find the content you need, greatly improving efficiency. 13. Xiaomi Hyper. Dynamic wallpaper. Instantly generate animation based on static wallpapers of cities, plants and more. 14. Xiaomi 15 Ultra vertical bar. With Google Gemini. Gemini Live. Chat with Gemini, your personal assistant from Google, to supercharge your ideas. 15. Relentless power. With the industry-leading Snapdragon registered trademark symbol 8 Elite mobile platform with a 3nm manufacturing process and the Orion CPU, Xiaomi 15 Ultra is made only for those who know how to unleash it. 16. Ultra heat dissipation. 3D dual-channel ice loop system. Innovate. 5100 mm superscript to thermal area. 13% more cooling. 17. Pro-level color and clarity. 17.09 cm, 6.73 display size. WQHD 3200 x 1440. LTPO 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. 68 billion colors. Original Color Pro based on CIE 2015 standards. Reduced eye fatigue DC dimming 1920 Hz PWM asterisk. 18. Always active display. The always active display keeps your essentials such as time and notifications visible even when your device is locked without killing your battery. 19. Defy outdoor glare. Xiaomi 15 Ultra's 3200 nits ultra-bright display offers blinding clarity even under bright sunlight. 20. Safer and faster than ever. Ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Plus 50% asterisk plus 25% asterisk. Unlock speed when the screen is dim. Unlock speed when the screen is on. 21. Ultra-long battery life. Charge anxiety. Xiaomi 15 Ultra packs 5410 mAh TYP of unstoppable power. 5410. 22. To Xiaomi HyperOS. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.